Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. We can still easily identify the direction of the trend of this market. After our bearish sell signal, bearish engulfing here on the Dow, notice that they've never been able to get this back up above the T line. Yesterday, sold off big, telling you the downtrend was still in progress. Today, the downtrend continued. Very simple trend analysis. You're in a downtrend until you see a buy signal and a close above the T line. Same scenario on the NASDAQ. That gap down, hanging man signal, failure. We're still in a downtrend. So this allows us to have both long and short positions. There are some bullish signal or bullish sectors right now. The lithium mining stocks, we recommended LTHM a few days ago. Still looks like we could at least hit the target up here in the overbought area. Take a look at LAC, or PLL and SLI also. And the energy stocks are still working. Notice Valero opened lower, but still closed above the T line. Strong indication this uptrend still in progress. Same thing with Exxon, Occidental, Apache, all in uptrends. The downtrends are down or over here in the retail stocks. When we recommended shorting DLTR, we didn't realize the announcements are coming on earnings, but you can see again that simple rule that if you're in a downtrend trading below the T line, the probabilities of any news, even if it's slightly negative, is going to create some good profits to the downside. The T line is basically your human nature indicator that as long as you're below the T line, the bears are in control. So these are type of stocks that even though they're in downtrends and not near the or closer to the oversold area, this is probably where you want to put on put spreads. So you've got less exposure, and even though you're in a downtrend already, you at least mitigate your risk, but still have very excellent prospects of big profits. Facebook, same scenario. Look at your J-hook type pattern. If this opens lower than tomorrow, you could be shorting it immediately or putting on an options put spread, because if it opens lower, what do you got going on? Bearish doji sandwich, implying more downside. So there's still lots of good stocks to be shorting as long as this market stays below the T line, but there's also some good long positions like DVAC, that did a bobble breakout, implying more upside. So the simplicity of candlestick scanning techniques allows investors to identify which stocks are moving up, which stocks are moving down with high degree of probability in spite of what the overall market direction is. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.